toilet, labas tayo, chuk, gano'n. Kasi daw parang kung tumigil doon, baka yung flow, umagal. And then this man approached me. Ang dami naghihintay, nagpapapicture and all. Sabi niya, naabutan ka. Sabi ko, why? Sabi niya, yung wife ko na stroke. Sabi niya, nagbanyo lang siya kasi akala niya hindi ka niya maaabutan. Okay lang, puntahan mo siya, pa-picture ka. Sabi ko, sa banyo? Sige, sabi ko, okay, na-stroke eh. Sabi ko, okay, kasi naka-wheelchair daw. Tapos nagtatakbo na yung isang kasama niya, tumakbo dun sa girl. Tapos, sinabi na parang nilabas na. Sabi ko, uy, natapos ka ba? Papasok naman sana ako and I would have waited for you. Sabi niya, no, I just really okay na yung speech niya and all, but yung it happened though in April. And then she said, you've been part of my recovery. Sabi ko, talaga? Sabi niya, kasi ang Chris TV. Tapos, sinabi ko sa kanya, pointing to the husband. Tapos, ako medyo naluluha-luhan. Sabi ko, may ganito palang effect talaga. Sabi niya, sinabi ko sa kanya, ng unang scene yung papanoorin namin, kailangan first day dalhin niya ako sa movie mo. So, ako talaga sabi ko, thank you. Parang sabi ko, what did I do to deserve this? Sabi ko, ang swerte mo. Sabi ko, kasi ang bait ng asawa mo na hinabol niya ako at gusto niya akong harangin para dalhin ako sa'yo dahil alam niyang mapapaligaya ka niya. So parang, nung na-feel ko yun, she's happily married. They went through April to now, sa ilang, May, June, July, August, 5 months, na I'm sure hindi madali yun kasi number 1, mahal. Number 2, may therapy. Number 3, they had teenage kids. And they had a young kid also. So parang sabi ko, it must have been something difficult for the entire family to go through. And yet, ang sinabi niya na, yung masabi lang sa'yo na you've been part of my recovery kasi you gave me something to look forward to wake up. Sabi ko, wow, grabe naman to. Tapos yung sinabi niya na, at yun nga talaga sinabi ko, doon kami unang magde-date. So kung ang misis gusto naman panuurin at dapat sila talaga mabulsit. Pero lahat ng mga married friends ko are so eager to watch the movie and to bring their husbands to watch. Siguro parang kukulit-kulit nila along the way. Hindi na ako kinakabahan. And siguro, yung life has really taught us that you cannot win over everybody. But those who are for you, alagaan mo na lang sila kasi marami naman sila.
Last question ko lang po is, between the spectrum dahil nga 5 women with different backgrounds, ano yung parang the biggest factor that binds all of you aside from being mistresses? In the movie.
Solidarity, I think. Kasi sa akin naman pinaalaga si Kim eh. The movie actually opens with my partner telling me that I need a favor. And yun, o-open siya na nasa coffee shop, ina-explain ko kay Stella, kay Iza, na in a pabulong way, na syempre parang part of you, my God, alam mo ba to, na gano'n, na yung sinasabi ko na, pinapaalagaan sa akin. How do you even teach a woman, di ba? How to do this? Para naman, ginawa akong recruiter sa isang pyramid scam. Gumanon pa ako talaga, tapos sinabi ko sa kanya na, parang she was saying, bakit hindi ka makatanggi? And then sinabi ko, kasi may pabor na hinihingi si partner doon sa partner ni Kim. Tapos sinabi niya, sino ba yung nilalang na yan? Sabi ko. So nung binanggit ko yung pangalan, the husband of Senator Aison. But in this movie, Senator Aison is a woman senator running for the presidency. So, the character of Kim Chiu is actually the lover of the would-be president. So, parang yun ang sinabi ko na she is a national scandal just waiting to happen. And in the end, it's her character that will thread all of us together.
Nakakaloka, no? Pasarap po. Okay. More questions? Si Ning, please.
Hello, Miss. I'm
Ning?
Ning, yeah.
Hi, Ning.
Of DForYou.com. My first question is, what is your perspective about mistresses before and after?